In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an abdominal plank on a Swiss ball. So firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to find where the pin mechanism is. So this is the same pin that you put into the Swiss ball when you pumped it up. So find where the pin is and have that pin pointing up. So this gives us a nice little understanding of where the middle of the ball is, and that's going to be really important when we put our elbows onto the ball, because you're going to have your hands and fingers interlinked. The middle of your forearm is going to be in the middle of the ball, so you can line that up with where the pin is, and then from here the next cue is we want to have a nice bend in the elbow, so we don't want to be coming too far forwards or too far back with straight arms. So 90-degree bend in the elbow. I'm going to bring one leg back. And now in this position, what's really important is my feet are going to be hip width apart. And I'm just going to now apply a little bit of downward pressure on the ball before I bring my next leg back. Because once I bring the next leg back, if I've got no pressure on the ball, what can happen is, as soon as you come into the plank and you've got full body weight on, it can throw you side to side. So create that pressure first, come back, keep the 90-degree bend in the elbow, and then you're in your start position. Hips in line with your shoulders, shoulders just above the elbows when you're doing the exercise. Once you're done, knee down, and then you can return back to your start position. So let's go through it one more time. Pin facing upwards, middle of the forearm in line with that pin, hands interlinked from here, elbows directly underneath the shoulders. Got one foot coming back, and then before I bring the next foot back, apply that downward pressure on the ball so I know that I'm not going to be thrown off. And then I'm going to straighten my next leg, feet hip width apart, and hold for my desired amount of seconds. When you're done, knee down, and then back to your start position. You would repeat that for your desired amount of seconds and sets, and that's how to do an abdominal plank on a Swiss ball.